For centuries, people have sought natural ways to improve their health. They looked to herbs and plants to find remedies. One such natural powerhouse is red yeast rice. It has been used in Asia for hundreds of years, both in cooking and medicine. Red yeast rice offers a range of potential health benefits, particularly for heart health. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of red yeast rice. We'll uncover its secrets and explore how it can benefit your well-being. Get ready to discover a natural way to potentially transform your health. Red yeast rice is a natural product that has been used for centuries, particularly in Asian cultures. It is not just a food item, but also a traditional remedy. It is made by fermenting rice with a specific type of yeast called Monascus purpureus. This fermentation process is quite fascinating and involves several steps to ensure the rice absorbs the yeast properly. This process gives the rice a distinctive reddish-purple color, which is not only visually appealing, but also indicative of the unique compounds formed during fermentation. You may be surprised to know that this process is similar to how we make other fermented foods. Think of yogurt, which involves the fermentation of milk with specific bacteria, sauerkraut, which is made by fermenting cabbage, and even beer, which involves the fermentation of grains. All these foods undergo a transformation that enhances their flavors and nutritional profiles. Red yeast rice is a staple in several Asian cuisines. It is often used in traditional dishes to add both color and flavor. In countries like China and Japan, it is a common ingredient in various recipes. It adds a vibrant hue and unique flavor to dishes, making them not only delicious, but also visually striking. The taste of red yeast rice is slightly sweet and tangy, which complements a variety of ingredients. But beyond its culinary uses, red yeast rice is treasured for its potential health benefits. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to promote health and longevity. These benefits are linked to the presence of naturally occurring compounds, particularly monocolins. Monocolins are known to inhibit cholesterol synthesis, which can help in managing cholesterol levels and promoting heart health. In traditional Chinese medicine, red yeast rice is often prescribed to improve blood circulation and aid in digestion. It is considered a natural remedy for various ailments. Modern research has also shown promising results. Studies suggest that red yeast rice can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, improve heart health, and even have anti-inflammatory properties. Today, red yeast rice is available in various forms, including supplements. These supplements are popular among those looking to manage their cholesterol levels naturally. Whether used in cooking or as a supplement, red yeast rice continues to be a valuable part of both culinary traditions and health practices. Its rich history and potential benefits make it a fascinating subject for both food enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals. So, the next time you see red yeast rice, remember that it is more than just a colorful ingredient. It is a product of ancient wisdom and modern science, offering both flavor and health benefits. High blood pressure is a common health concern. It affects millions of people worldwide. If left unmanaged, it can lead to serious health issues. The good news is that red yeast rice may help. Some studies suggest that red yeast rice can play a role in lowering blood pressure. While more research is needed to understand the exact mechanisms, the results are promising. This makes red yeast rice a potentially valuable tool in the fight against hypertension. Remember, it's essential to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your health regimen. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is essential for our bodies to function correctly. It plays a crucial role in building cell membranes, producing hormones, and aiding in the digestion of fats. Without cholesterol, our bodies wouldn't be able to perform these vital functions. However, not all cholesterol is created equal. However, high levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can be detrimental to our health. LDL cholesterol can build up in the walls of our arteries, forming plaques that narrow and harden the arteries. This condition, known as atherosclerosis, can lead to serious cardiovascular problems, including heart attacks and strokes. It's important to manage and maintain healthy cholesterol levels to prevent these risks. This is where red yeast rice steps in. Red yeast rice is a traditional Chinese culinary and medicinal product made by fermenting rice with a specific type of yeast called Monascus purpureus. It has been used for centuries in Asia for its health benefits and as a food preservative and coloring agent. Red yeast rice contains a naturally occurring substance called monocolin K. Monocolin K is chemically identical to the active ingredient in certain prescription cholesterol-lowering medications known as statins. This natural compound has been found to effectively lower cholesterol levels in the body. Monocolin K is known to inhibit the production of cholesterol in the liver. The liver is the primary site of cholesterol synthesis in the body, and by blocking a key enzyme involved in this process, monocolin K reduces the overall amount of cholesterol produced. This can lead to a significant decrease in LDL cholesterol levels. By reducing the production of cholesterol, red yeast rice may help lower LDL cholesterol levels and promote a healthier lipid profile. A healthier lipid profile means a better balance between LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and triglycerides. This balance is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health and preventing the buildup of arterial plaques. This can potentially contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. Incorporating red yeast rice into your diet or as a supplement under the guidance of a healthcare professional can be a natural and effective way to manage cholesterol levels. Alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other healthy lifestyle choices, red yeast rice can be a valuable tool in your heart health regimen. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs. The power of red yeast rice in managing triglycerides. Triglycerides are another type of fat found in our blood. Like cholesterol, high levels of triglycerides can increase the risk of heart disease. Red yeast rice may also play a role in managing triglyceride levels. Studies have shown that red yeast rice can help lower elevated triglyceride levels. This is achieved by influencing the way our bodies metabolize fats. By incorporating red yeast rice into a balanced lifestyle, individuals may be able to better manage their triglyceride levels and support their overall cardiovascular health. Red yeast rice. Impact on lipoproteins and C-reactive protein. Red yeast rice, a traditional Chinese culinary and medicinal product, has been gaining attention in the modern health community for its potential benefits on cardiovascular health. Next, we delves into how red yeast rice impacts lipoproteins and C-reactive protein, two critical markers in heart health. Lipoproteins are like tiny vehicles that carry cholesterol through our bloodstream. These particles are essential for transporting fats, including cholesterol, to various parts of the body where they are needed. However, not all lipoproteins are created equal, and their balance is crucial for maintaining heart health. There are different types of lipoproteins, each serving a unique function. High-density lipoprotein, or HDL, is often referred to as good cholesterol because it helps remove cholesterol from the bloodstream, transporting it to the liver for excretion. Low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, is known as bad cholesterol because high levels can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Red yeast rice may have a positive effect on lipoprotein levels. Studies have shown that it can help lower LDL cholesterol while potentially raising HDL cholesterol. This dual action makes red yeast rice a promising natural supplement for those looking to improve their lipid profile and support heart health. Additionally, red yeast rice may also influence C-reactive protein, or CRP. CRP is a substance produced by the liver in response to inflammation. High levels of CRP in the blood are a marker of inflammation, which can be a risk factor for various chronic diseases, including heart disease. CRP is a marker of inflammation in the body. When the body experiences inflammation, whether due to infection, injury, or chronic conditions, CRP levels rise. This makes CRP a useful indicator for doctors to assess the presence and intensity of inflammation in the body. Elevated CRP levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Chronic inflammation can damage the inner lining of the arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, or the hardening and narrowing of the arteries. This condition is a major contributor to heart attacks and strokes. Some studies suggest that red yeast rice can help lower CRP levels, potentially reducing inflammation and benefiting heart health. By lowering both LDL cholesterol and CRP levels, red yeast rice may offer a two-pronged approach to improving cardiovascular health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially for individuals with existing health conditions or those taking other medications. Incorporating red yeast rice into your diet, whether through supplements or culinary use, could be a simple yet effective way to support your heart health. As with any dietary change, it's best to approach it with a balanced perspective and in consultation with healthcare professionals. In summary, red yeast rice has shown promise in impacting lipoproteins and C-reactive protein, both of which are critical markers for heart health. By potentially lowering LDL cholesterol and CRP levels, red yeast rice may help reduce the risk of heart disease and promote overall cardiovascular well-being. Antioxidant action, shielding your body. Our bodies are constantly exposed to harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can damage cells and contribute to various health problems. Antioxidants help to neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Red yeast rice is a natural source of antioxidants. These antioxidants may provide an additional layer of protection against oxidative stress. By incorporating red yeast rice into your diet, you may be giving your body an extra boost in the fight against free radical damage. Fighting inflammation with red yeast rice. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health issues. Red yeast rice has shown potential in combating inflammation. Studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of red yeast rice may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This, in turn, could potentially benefit individuals suffering from inflammatory conditions. The potential of red yeast rice in managing inflammation is a promising area of study. Red yeast rice and digestive harmony. Good digestion is essential for overall well-being. It ensures our bodies can absorb nutrients efficiently. While red yeast rice is not traditionally known as a digestive aid, some people find that it supports their digestive health. This could be due to its potential to promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. By incorporating red yeast rice into your diet, you may be supporting not only your heart health, but also your digestive well-being. Red yeast rice for balanced blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is vital for a healthy heart. High blood pressure can strain the heart and increase the risk of serious health problems. As we've discussed earlier, red yeast rice may contribute to healthy blood pressure levels. The potential of red yeast rice to help regulate blood pressure, along with its other heart-healthy benefits, makes it a valuable natural remedy for those seeking to support their cardiovascular system. A word of caution. While red yeast rice offers a range of potential health benefits, it's essential to remember that it is not a substitute for medical advice. If you are considering incorporating red yeast rice into your health regimen, always consult with your doctor first. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and making informed decisions is crucial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more natural health remedies.